Patty Mills fires. Murray tips it, but right to Thompson. Durant. McGee is open underneath. Ginobili. 8 to shoot. Aldridge. Several. Oh, blocked by McGee.
Has had a profound impact on the first 9 minutes. Doesn't bite on the face, and ultimately blocks the shot and ignites transition.
Draymond Green posting up Danny Green. And he fouls Draymond. Draymond with a chance for a three-point play.
And you watch the switch, the slip and seal, and a good delivery by David West.
But the players have, now they've moved on. Even Manu Ginobili saying he's not coming back. We're not expecting him. Thompson hits a three. Both teams heating up. Golden State back up by 9.
I got a chance to talk to him after he finished his workout, and he said, no, that was ambitious. I don't think that I can do that anymore. I said, what changed?
Livingston against the rookie. Loves that post-up shot. Good. Shot clock winding down. West just gets it off in time, and it goes in.